Hello, friends. It's day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas. So excited. Of course, this weekend I got busy with some different Christmas opportunities. I won't say tasks because that sounds like I didn't enjoy it, but I love this frenzied time of year. I really do. I may just be weird that way, but you know, we got to go to church. We packed like 12 finals, care packages for our college students. Clark got together some packages for an Angel Tree Salvation Army. I crafted and crafted and crafted all weekend. I had my Stamp Technique Club this weekend where we made some pretty Christmas cards. So we did some blending, which is always a good technique. Hi, Terry. I love my technique club. Anyone's welcome to join us, both local or online. You can do the projects at home. I have videos and PDFs. We made this cool fun fold card, and it does fit in an envelope, believe it or not. But it's called an easel pop-up card. So that was fun. Of course, we didn't do the 12 days of Christmas over the weekend. We do those during the week. So make sure and set your alarm for noon every day. We're going to be doing these all week long at noon. So that's exciting. And last week we did, if you missed it, last week we made these cute gift tags. So make sure and scroll down and watch the videos from last week. On Friday, we made this gorgeous Christmas card using the delicate baubles dies. And today, we're going to make this cute gift card holder. It just happens to be just the right color for a Starbucks gift card. Not intentional, but that worked out perfectly. Let's see. Let me see if there's anything else we need to talk about. Oh, yes. Don't forget, it's the last day. Today is the last day for the ordering special. If you order 35 or more, you get a free card class. So this is the cute card class that you get in the mail. Free shipping. Nice. When you order from me, there's a link to order in this post. If you order 50 or more, you get free gold and rose gold paper. So it's, let me see if I've got one open. Oh yeah, here it is. Yay. It's this rose gold and gold paper. Kind of hard to see there with the light. And if you order $100 or more, you'll get the double card class. So you'll need to use the host code. The link is included in my post. All right. Hi, Betty. Good to see you. Remember, please like and share these videos. At the very end of this series, we're going to give this away. It's called Holly Jolly Wishes, and that's the grand prize for likes and shares during this video series. So, and I'll go ahead and announce while it's on my mind, the winner for the drawing on Friday was Jackie Pettit, and she filled out the door prize form. So make sure and fill that out. It's free to fill out in the comments, in the information on this post. So every day there will be a fun prize if you fill out the door prize form. So let's get started. Let me point you down for the fun. See if I can do this without dropping my phone today. Challenge accepted. I did it. Okay. Oh, but then I flipped you around, which was, oh well, one of these days. Okay, 12 days of Christmas. Today we are going to make this gorgeous gift card holder. So it's actually quite simple, and I love simple at Christmas just because that gets us where we need to go quicker in time for the holidays. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with an ombre gift bag. So I'll show you these, and you may say, what? I don't know what that is. I've never seen it. Many people don't even know these exist. because they're in the annual catalog, which right now we're all about the holiday catalog, right? So we forget about the things in the holiday catalog, but they come in all of the in colors, which we have Evening Evergreen and Soft Succulent, which are perfect Christmas colors. And of course you could make one of these in the spring when that time comes. But I'll show you where they are in the annual catalog. They're on this great page with all of the packaging basics right here, okay? And they're $6 for 20. The number is 155,479. A great thing for you to purchase. All right, so simple as that. All we're gonna do, what is in here? Oh, I already have this ready. Isn't that wonderful? We're going to fold this up. Now, I don't pull it all the way to the top. I just pull it almost to the top, okay? And we're going to wrap around a 2.5 by 12 inch strip of designer paper. And I don't score it. I just fold it with my sweet fingers because remember, we're keeping it simple here. And there's two ways to adhere this. You could either use tear and tape or Stampin' Seal Plus. I'm going to use Stampin' Seal Plus. Again, quick and easy. Perfect. It will hold. It's quite strong. All right, so that's kind of your base of your gift card holder. And then I'm going to use some of this evergreen ribbon. So just like I showed you those ombre gift bags, we have some ombre ribbon too. And it is kind of also hard to find. I had a friend that wanted it the other day and she was like, where did you get that ribbon? And I said, oh, you know what? That is kind of hard to find. But I'll show you. On this page with all of our ribbons, $139, we've got open weave ribbon, $7, and you're looking for the evening evergreen. Soft succulent would also be pretty. So those are the item codes there. But I just love this evergreen ribbon. We're going to use it again later in the 12 Days of Christmas series. So you might add that to your next order because it is fabulous. All right, so we're going to tie a ribbon, a bow here. I didn't leave myself much of a tail there, so let's just say a prayer. It actually ties very easily. Not all of our ribbons tie swimmingly, but this one ties really well, and it looks gorgeous when it's tied, okay? Let's see. Okay. So as we move on, next we're going to do our stamping. I have a little, I believe this is, 2.5 inches by 1 inch, nothing fancy. Oh, I forgot to tell you about the stamp set we're using. It's called Stars Are Shining, and we have the star punch, okay? So here's an interesting story about this duo. So the Stars Are Shining stamp set is retiring, but the punch is not. Okay, so if you're keeping the punch, if you would like the punch, it's going to be good next year, next catalog, then you need to go ahead and get the stamp set, right? Because who would want a punch without the stamp set? All right, so make sure and pick up both. The bundle is only $30.50, and the bundled price will also be retiring as well since the stamp set is retiring. But anywho, Stars Are Shining is the name of the stamp set, and we have this gorgeous punch, which we're going to use in a second. So we're looking for the Twinkle Twinkle Christmas Star, and the thing I like most about this set, I love many things, but what I'm most drawn to is the font. I love it. It's scripty, but not overly cheesy. Does that make sense to you? Scripty, but not cheesy. So I just think it's gorgeously scripty. All right, so we're just going to use our Evening Evergreen ink to stamp that. It's a bold look, which I love. And we are going to pop that on with dimensionals. Now I'm going to go for my mini dimensionals so I can put them above and below the ribbon. The ribbon is so thin in this particular project, it probably doesn't matter. But I just try not to interfere with my ribbon by putting dimensionals above and below my project. I mean my ribbon, which is pretty standard on my crafting okay? But we're not done yet because it still needs to be extra cute. So we're going to add some stars, and you could add it with metallic paper, but I want to show you this gorgeous punch and how it coordinates with the stamps. Oh, hey Barb, good to see you. I always love it when you're crafting with me. All right, so there's a little stamp here, and it's got stars on it. Okay, there's the stamp. And what you need to do to figure out what direction, this is just a tip. So your paper goes in the punch this way. So I always lay down my paper, lay down my punch, and just say, okay, if the paper goes this way, if the punch goes this way, then my stamp needs to go this way too. See, you've got this star here, this star here. That way when you put your paper in the punch, it's going to be the right way. When you're at a class and you're in a hurry, we forget. And then we go to punch and it's like, oh no, that's not going to work. All right, so we're using tone-on-tone stamping, which means we're using the same color on the same color. Bumblebee ink on bumblebee paper. Fabulous. And we're going to come in here with our punch. And we're gonna, I usually when I'm doing a group like this, I'll eyeball 1, 2, maybe 3 of the stars, and then look, you can hold it, move it around, adjust it. It looks good. I like the placement. And then you just have to try not to get the stars flying all over your craft space. All right, so we're gonna choose the middle 3 stars here, and I'm gonna pop those up to my card now. Just a tip, I'm going to put a dimensional here, and a dimensional here, and a dimensional here, okay? So that way, I'm not interfering with my sentiment piece, and then what I can do is just come in and pop up my little pieces right where they need to go, and you won't be fussing with where that dimensional is, okay? So 1, 2, 3 there. And let me see if I can find my rhinestones. We do need to make it sparkle. So I'm going to use on this one I used regular rhinestones. On this I'm going to use elegant faceted gems. Basically anything that sparkles will be fabulous. So, ooh, I like that. It's nice. Okay. Loving it. Love the sparkle. Has to sparkle, right? Hi, Carolyn. Yay. Yes, it is fun. We love fun. Okay. So that's the base. Now, we have a little party going on inside here, though, because you would want to write, like, Merry Christmas. And you can even stick this on with a little glue dot, like to the back, or you can just tuck it in, either way. But I've got a little piece of evening evergreen that's 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. And let me, oh, here's my basic white piece that is 3 by 4. And I'm going to, just for good measure and gorgeousness, I'm going to pop this star on here just to make this pretty. And I'm going to stick this down. Just a little gift card insert. And, you know, we may as well sparkle this up. I didn't sparkle the first one, but that's a travesty. So sparkle it up. It's Christmas. Bring out all the bling. And we pop that in. Oops, pop. Make sure it goes in the bag, not the not through the belly band. Okay, and you can pop in some Starbucks gift cards, some Chick-fil-A gift cards, whatever your gift card desire is. And I know a lot of us do gift cards at Christmas. No shame in the gift card game. But why not decorate your gift cards just to show someone that, yes, you gave them a gift card, but you cared enough to make it fancy with handmade gift card holders. So you could make multiples with this pack of gift bags and see how easy that was. Okay, so Again, let me make sure. Oh, yes, I've got to remember. If you're watching this video on YouTube, you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you're going to get to see all 12 Days of Christmas videos when you subscribe to that. Super exciting. Tune in every day at noon for the rest of the videos. Don't forget the door prize form in the comments of this Facebook, not the comments, but in the information section of this Facebook post. You'll want to pick up the Stars Are Shining bundle, $30.50. Here is the information about that. Don't forget, this is the last day. If you order, you'll get the free card class, $50 the free paper, $100 double the cards. You won't want to miss joining my email list, so you'll get all the PDFs for the 12 projects. And don't forget the door prize form. There is also a link to a video that I made last week of all of the retiring products from the catalog. So instead of having to look at that microscopic list with your sweet eyeballs, you can just, it's a 20-minute video, flip through the catalog and see everything that's retiring. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed this day of 12 Days of Christmas. We'll be back for day 4 tomorrow. Bye.